when they shot the work experience and the position held by late Dr. Manmohan Singh. From 1957 to 1959, he been the senior lecturer in economics. 1959 to 1963, he been the reader of economics. And 1963 to 1965, he been the professor of economics in Punjab University, Chandigarh. From the year 1966 to 1969, Manmohan Singh been the Economic Affairs Officer in United Nations Secretariat, New York. From 1969 to 1971, Manmohan Singh been the Professor of International Trade in Delhi School of Economics in Delhi University, India. From 1971 to 1972, he been the Economic Advisor to the Ministry of Foreign Trade, India. From 1972 to 1976, he been the Chief Economic Advisor to Ministry of Finance, India. From November 1976 to April 1980, he been the Secretary to Ministry of Finance, Department of Economic Affairs to the Government of India, Member of Finance and Atomic Energy Commission in Government of India, Member of Finance and Space Commission in Government of India. From April 1980 to September 1982, he been the Member Secretary of the Planning Commission of India. From September 1982 to Jan 1985, he been the Governor of Reserve Bank of India. From Jan 1985 to July 1987, Dr. Manmohan Singh chaired the Planning Commission of India. From August 1987 to November 1990, he been the Secretary General and Commissioner of South Commission. From December 1990 to March 1991, he been the advisor to the Prime Minister of India on economics affairs. From March 1991 to June 1991, Manmohan Singh was the chairman of University Grant Commission, that is UGC. From September 1991, he was elected as the Rajya Sabha member. In June 1995, he was re-elected as the member of Rajya Sabha for the term of 6 years. From June 21, 1991 to May 15, 1996, Manmohan Singh been the Finance Minister of India. From August 1, 1996 to December 4, 1997, Manmohan Singh been the chairman of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce in Rajya Sabha. In June 2001, he was re-elected as the member of Rajya Sabha for the term of 6 years again. In March 21, 1998 to May 22, 2004, Manmohan Singh was elected as the leader of opposition of Rajya Sabha, the Council of State in the Parliament of India, and finally in May 22, 2004 to May 26, 2014, Manmohan Singh been the Prime Minister of India. This was all.